Purb International School, Durgapur, celebrates National Sports Day.
The National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time. Popularly known as the Wizard for his magical touch, superb control, creativity, and extraordinary goal scoring feats, Chand was instrumental in taking Indian hockey to greater heights under his talismanic leadership. On this day, President of India honors eminent sports personalities with major award including Khel Ratna, Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards and Dhyan Chand Awards.
Dhyan Chand, the father of Indian sports, also known as India's hockey wizard. Major Dhyan Chand Singh was born on August 29, 1905 at Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. The title Chand was given by his first coach, who predicted that he would one day shine like moon. His father was in the army, following the footsteps of his father. When he joined the army at the young age of 16, he was selected to represent Olympics, and Dhyan Chand scored 2 goals in the final match. He retired from competitive hockey in 1948. The city of Vienna, Austria, honored him by setting up his statue. The other statues of this legendary sportsman are in New Delhi and at Medak in Andhra Pradesh. For his extraordinary service to the nation, he was honored with Padma Bhushan Award in 1956. And also, the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. He passed away on December 3, 1979.
Theme for National Sports Day 2021. Revel in your inner Khiladi this National Sports Day 2021 with the aim of promoting a healthy lifestyle nationwide. The President of India honors eminent sports personalities with prestigious award to the sports person who have contributed to the growth of sports all through their sports career. This auspicious day is celebrated in schools today to spread awareness on the importance of sports and physical activities in every individual's life. Many activities like rhyme time, aerobics, and games are organized as a part of National Sports Day celebration for the students, parents, and as well as for teachers.
The primary objective of National Sports Day is to raise awareness about the value of sports and staying physically active in everyday life. Following the first celebration of the day in India in 2012, the government has embraced the occasion to unveil a number of sports-related initiatives, including the Khelo India movement. It was announced in 2018 by Honorable Prime Minister of India. Several sports celebrities are also honored by India's President, honoring the athlete's lifetime achievements in his discipline. This National Sports Day, we urge you to get outside and play your favorite sport, honoring your inner Khilari. Happy National Sports Day!